Okay, we've got our YUASA Powersport AGM battery here. So they ship them dry. This one does in fact include the acid. So, how do we deal with this? Well, first thing we do is take this strip off the top. Make sure you have all your PPE on. Okay, I got rubber gloves, wearing my shop coat so I don't destroy my nice sweater with any acid. Got my safety glasses on. So I'm going to take this foil strip off first here, which is going to expose the cells of the battery. Set it aside. Okay, then we've got our electrolyte here. We're going to pull the top off, where it says do not open. We're going to take that off. We're going to turn this acid upside down. There's some foil strips on top of here that are going to get punctured by these little points inside my cells. And then this strip is going to go, this plastic strip is going to go back on to seal the battery. So let's take that off. Don't throw it away because this is the top of your battery. All right. I'm going to turn our acid upside down. And again, these foil strips right here, they're going to get punctured by the little pointy guys in here. In a perfect world. And there we go. Okay, we see bubbles, which is what we want to see. Except on 2 of the cells do not appear to have any bubbles yet. So it says to tap. There we go. Bubble there. I'm still waiting for a bubble on this one. Come on. There we go. I just saw one bubble. All right. Yes. I've got all of them are draining. Putting my electrolyte into the battery. Might just take a little while. Once I have my electrolyte in there, I'm going to throw it on the charger. And then I'm going to be ready to install it in my snowmobile. Okay, it looks like all of our electrolyte is drained. One thing I noticed is all of these vials are attached to the top. So as long as you're getting bubbles in one of these, it's breaking the vacuum to all 6 of them. So that's fine, as long as you got bubbles anywhere. All right, now I'll just remove our acid, empty acid container. Okay. And now that original cap right here, I'm going to set it on. Oh, it says do not open because when it's on the battery, you never open it. You never have to add water. So we're going to get them level with the top here. So this is an AGM battery, right? Absorbent glass mat. So it's basically unserviceable. You're never going to add water or acid for its lifetime. All right, we look straight across. Looks good. All right, now we're going to charge her up. Red to red. Black to black. There is no red and black on the battery. You get the idea. And we're going to set my charger to, we're at 3 amp Powersport. Charging gel, we got to change this to AGM. Absorbent glass mat. All right. It says we're charging at 12 volts and it's at 93%. I don't know how that's possible. Whatever. I'm going to leave it sit. And that is how I fill a battery.